In this video, I'll show you this cool white on white stamping nail art design. Hi, my name is Masha and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how I did this white stamping on white nails. It's actually really easy. I saw this design on Masha Create channel, and she is a very talented Ukrainian nail artist. I will link that video in the description box below the video. And as soon as I saw this, I just wanted to try it and see for myself how it works. I also had this hand-me-down OPI Axiom gel that I knew nothing about. I wanted to use it to test it out to see what it's all about. But first I did my research and I looked for it on Amazon and on eBay. You can still buy some of it on eBay, but Amazon didn't have any of it anymore for the most part. And I ended up going on the OPI website and they only carry the base gel. I also went and looked on YouTube to see how old was the latest video that was created with this Axiom gel, and it was about 5 years old. Given all this little research, I realized that this product is no longer relevant and it probably expired, but I still tried it. I'm not gonna show it to you because it didn't last. You can't buy the product, so I'm just gonna skip straight to the nail art part. To make this design happen, all of the volume needs to be applied to the nail after the white gel is applied. So if you're building your nail, make sure you apply white gel on top of the thin base of whatever method you're using, because on top of that a clear gel will go, and the clear gel is what is giving the nails the depth effect from the stamping. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a moment. So first, use whatever method you use to build your nail, but make sure you make it thin. Then apply your white gel polish. In my case, I'm using gel paint, white gel paint. Cure it, and with whites, you gotta make sure you cure it either slowly or on a reduced power so your gel cures evenly and doesn't have a top cured layer and the gooiness underneath. If you cannot reduce the power of your lamp, I suggest taking your hand in and out of the lamp like every 10 seconds or so, or even 5 seconds. Hopefully that helps. After I cured all the white gel paint, I applied a thick layer of clear builder gel. I applied a decent amount because this is my main nail structure, just done with the clear gel on top of the white. I leveled it out with a thin brush and I flip my fingers upside down when I think I'm done leveling, and I let it sit like that for about 15 seconds and then I flip it back and then cure it. That way my apex is not trying to run off to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back, whatever it wants to run, it's not running. I'm using gravity, and gravity helps. And after I cured that, I removed the sticky residue, and this is very important part before you start stamping. There's always that first finger where I realized that I forgot to remove the sticky layer, and that whole stamping and the whole first finger is getting smudgy, horrible stamping. But it's all right. I learn, I move on. So I wipe the sticky residue from all the 5 nails and then I start stamping. Ideally, I should have used the cuticle guard, which is just a protector to protect your skin, and then it dries and you just peel it off when you're done with your nail art and leaves your fingers nice and clean, but I don't have it. So after this experience, I have realized it's definitely a must if you are planning on doing any kind of stamping or damping nail art. To do my stamping, I am using Puween nail stamping kit. I really like this kit. I got it at Walmart for about 10 bucks and it's definitely worth it. They do also make that cuticle guard. I just didn't buy it yet. And frankly, I think that should be in the starter kit. What do you think? After I did the stamping on all 5 fingers, I sealed them in with the top coat. And I did that before I started cleaning the skin around the cuticles, because if I try to clean it with acetone before I seal it in, I'm simply gonna remove all the stamping from the nails as well. May not remove it, but definitely risking damaging it. So if you're not using cuticle guard, seal your stamping first and then clean your skin. One of the things I love about this design is that your stamping does not have to be perfect. Any imperfections that may be, can really see them, and stamper doesn't always go all the way to the cuticle and to the sidewalls of the nail, having a little edge where there is no stamping on it. But with this design you can really tell, and I love it. Also, I think it will be best to do this kind of stamping nail art, not just white on white, but whatever color you do, think it's best if it is a pastel color. I might be wrong, play around with it, see what you can come up with. So here it is, a really easy design that in my opinion looks quite elegant and great for any occasion really. I hope you like this white on white stamping nail art, and if you did, don't forget to share some love with clicking that like button, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.